So, have you ever heard something about estate planning and thought, that doesn't sound quite right? Trust me, you're not the only one. Estate planning is full of myths and misconceptions, and today we're going to clear them up. Let's break down some of the biggest myths out there so you can stop believing them and start planning smarter. Hey, I'm Laura Croft from Timeless Estate Planning. If you want real actionable tips on estate planning, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, today's topic is super important. What are the biggest estate planning myths, and how can you stop falling for them? All right, let's get into it. Here are 5 myths about estate planning that are totally holding people back. Myth number 1: estate planning is only for the wealthy. This one is a biggie, and it's totally false. Estate planning isn't about how much money you have, it's about protecting what you do have, whether it's a home, retirement accounts, or just making sure your family doesn't end up in a court battle. Estate planning is for everyone, no matter your net worth. A will is all I need. I get why people think this, but nope, not always. A will is a great start, sure, but it doesn't avoid probate. And let me tell you, probate can be time consuming, expensive, and public. Depending on your goals, you might need more than just a will. Things like trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives can really protect you and your loved ones. Myth number 3: once I create my estate plan, I'm done. If only. Estate planning isn't a one and done deal. Life changes. Marriage, divorce, kids, grandkids, new assets, and your plan should change with it. It's a good idea to review your plan every few years or after big life events. Keep it fresh, keep it relevant. Myth number 4: my family will know what to do. I know they have good intentions, but without legal documentation in place, your family might not know exactly what you want. An estate plan takes the guesswork out of tough situations and can help prevent family drama. Trust me, no one wants that kind of stress when they're already grieving. Myth number 5: I'm too young to worry about this. Here's the thing: estate planning isn't just about what happens after you're gone, it's also about protecting yourself during your lifetime. Documents like powers of attorney and healthcare directives are crucial in case you get sick or incapacitated unexpectedly. You never know what's around the corner. So there you have it. 5 of the most common estate planning myths debunked. If this video helped clear up any confusion, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Ready to build or update your estate plan? Contact us at Timeless Estate Planning to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.